Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Google Chrome. Maybe your downloads folder is getting messy, or you just want files to save somewhere more convenient. Whatever the reason, the process is super simple, so let's walk through it together. Alright, let's begin. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. Take your time, no rush. Now, look up at the top right corner. You'll see those familiar 3 vertical dots. Give them a click to open the menu. From here, select Settings. Perfect. Once you're inside the Settings page, look to the left side where you have all the categories. Scroll through them gently until you find the one labeled Downloads. Click on it to continue. Here, Chrome will show you your current download location. In my case, it's set to the default Downloads folder, but maybe you want yours to save somewhere else, like your desktop, your documents, or even a custom folder you've created. To change it, simply click on the button that says Change. Nice and easy. Now go ahead and choose the folder you want. You can pick an existing folder, or if you want to keep things organized, you can create a new one right from this window. For this tutorial, I'm going to select my desktop. Once you're happy with your choice, click Select Folder. Done. And here's an extra tip. If you prefer to choose where every single file goes before downloading, you can toggle on the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. This gives you full control every time. And that's it. You've successfully changed your download location in Google Chrome. So the next time you download anything, videos, documents, images, they'll go straight to the new folder you selected. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.